Dr. Chakmak is from the University of Istanbul. He's with us in the field in Canada right now. And Dr. Chakmak, you've done a lot of work on the relationship between fertilization and crop quality. Why is this factor so important?
I have to say there are a number of reports indicating that micronutrient deficiency in human population is an increasing issue. So, for example, it is estimated that nearly half of world population suffer from zinc deficiency and iron deficiency. One of the reasons is of this a high incidence of micronutrient deficiency is the less intake of micronutrients via diet. The diet that we consume today is very, very low in micronutrient concentration, particularly the plant-based diets. So in developing countries, the people eat so much plant-based foods because of economical reason. The contribution of animal-based protein is very, very low.
Like corn, like you're standing.
Like corn, for example, in Africa, or rice in Asia, or wheat in Middle East countries. So these cereals are extremely poor in micronutrient concentration.
What would be one of the micronutrients that's very limiting around the globe right now?
As I said, zinc.
Zinc, yes.
Zinc very much to be limited. Zinc is very interesting because the low zinc reduces not only the crop production. I mean, low zinc in the soil reduces not only the crop production, but also reduces the nutritional quality of the harvested products.
Right.
As I indicated, the people eat in the developing world entirely cereal-based foods, and these foods are very, very low in zinc and other micronutrients. So we have to increase micronutrient concentration in cereal-based foods.
In today's presentation, you illustrated that India was finally fortifying their urea with zinc, and you had indicated a number of women die every year, and other people die every year from zinc deficiency in India. Do you have a number for that?
Actually, directly for India, I have no data, but at a global level, we have very nice estimation, reliable estimation, which indicate that zinc and iron deficiency together are involved in death of around 100,000 women, mothers, during the childbirth. So there is also some recently published data estimation indicate that when you improve rice and wheat with micronutrient concentration, you can save nearly 50,000 the life of 50,000 children in India
alone.
Just improving zinc and iron concentration of cereals in India will save life of 50,000 children annually per year.
To wrap up, Dr. Chakmak, you've been involved in an initiative that's been funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation called the Harvest Plus Foundation. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, this is a big consortium, an international consortium initiated by leading CG centers like International Food Policy Research Institute and CIAT. And this program focuses on development of new genotypes, new maize, rice, wheat, cassava, potatoes genotypes which have high ability to accumulate high amount of zinc, iron and vitamin A. These are micronutrients, are global nutritional problems, and in the developing world the people eat a lot such type of foods, but these are foods low in zinc, iron and vitamin A. And Harvest Plus program use breeding approach to develop new genotypes which have high ability to have high levels of zinc, iron and vitamin A in the edible part of the crops. So Harvest Plus focus on breeding strategy.
Very good. And you've been invited to Canada with a company called Omex. It's involved with the Harvest Plus program, and they've brought you out with the Agri Trend Group. Why are you interested in speaking to and in being involved with the Agri Trend Group?
First of all, I have to say Harvest Plus program that is initiated by International Food Policy Research Institute and CIAT focus on breeding. Breeding a long-term process.
Yes.
to develop a new genotypes taken a long time. But we decided to develop a quick approach to the problem. For example, you can very easily, very quickly improve maize or rice or wheat with zinc through application of zinc fertilizer. So last year, Harvest Plus program decided to develop a fertilizer program.
Yes.
Besides breeding program, and this fertilizer program supported by different fertilizer organization and companies. One of them is Omex. So Omex supports this Harvest Plus zinc fertilizer program, and this program is being conducted in 10 countries. So we are trying to improve zinc concentration of these stable food crops by using fertilizer strategy. So we apply different type of zinc containing fertilizer to soil and foliar to improve the zinc concentration. Omex is one of the companies.
And Agri Trend has been working with Omex.
Yeah, I am coming to that point. So Omex, as I said, is one of the companies, organizations supporting this Harvest Plus zinc fertilizer program. So as you indicated, Omex and Agri Trend working together, working closely. I'm really very happy that also we see indirect contribution of the Agri Trend to this program.
Well, thanks for being with us today, Dr. Chakmak, and good luck in your work.
Thank you very much.